Things to remember about an affiliate program. Ask questions first before you join an affiliate program. Do a little research about the choices of program that you intend to join into. Get some answers because they will be the deciding point of what you will be achieving later on. Don't spend any money to join any affiliate program. Almost all the affiliate programs offered today are free to join. So, why you go for those that charge you some dollars before joining? How are referrals from an affiliate site tracked and for how long do they remain in the system? You need to be confident on the program enough to track those people you refer from your site. This is the only way that you can credit for a sale. The period of time that those people stay in the system is also important. This is because some visitors do not buy initially but may want to return later to make the purchase. Know if you will still get credit for the sale if it is done some months from a certain day. No conversation ration per hit. With this you will be able to know how much traffic needed to make sale for your affiliate program. This is based on average number of hits to a banner or text likes it takes to generate a sale based on all affiliate statistics. Every program is some different. Some issue their checks once in a month, some issue twice or some issue every quarter, so choose that one with which you are comfortable. Many affiliate programs are setting a minimum earned commission amount that an affiliate must meet or exceed in order for their checks to be issued. What are the kinds of affiliate stats available? So, choose that affiliate program which is capable of offering detailed stats. And one more thing, they always available online anytime you decide to check them out. A single tier program pays you only for the business you yourself have generated. A two-tier program pays you for the business, plus it also pays you a commission on the sales generated by any affiliate you sponsor in your program. Some two-tier programs are even paying small fees on each new affiliate you sponsor. More like a recruitment fee. So, it is important to know about affiliate program. Is it one-tier or two-tier affiliate program? Constantly checking your individual stats is important to know how many impressions, hits and sales are already generated from your site. A hit is the one clicking on the banner or text links, and impressions are the number of times the banner or text link was viewed by a visitor of your site. Is affiliate program also paying for the hits and impressions besides the commissions on sales? It is important that impressions and hits are also paid, as this will add to the earnings you get from the sales commission. This is especially important if the program you are in offers low sales to be able to hit ratio. Thank you for watching. Please consider to subscribe and like. For more information, please visit the link below.